Hey guys, just on a normal day. Oh my god, look at this stuff that came out of my nose. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Look at that. It's like sucking up stuff. What is it?
Hey, don't you touch me!
I'm sorry.
I am the slime lord.
Sorry, it's not my fault.
Well, it should.
Sorry.
Don't touch me.
You mean?
Ah! Oh my gosh! What did you do? Oh my god! There's half my body. But luckily, I can combine myself. What a manta! Oh my god, what did it do?
Oh my god, it combined itself again. Oh, that's so gross. Look at that. So weird.
Don't call me weird!
Weirdo.
Don't call me weird!
I'll call you whatever I want. You know what? You're getting on my nerves. I'm gonna kill you again.
No!
And again.
No! No! Ow!
And again.
Ow! What? Again? Haha, sucker!
No. Why is this indestructible?
Because I'm not, and now I will rule the world!
No!